Mastering informal salutations and closings in emails and letters. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on email and letter writing in English. Today, we're diving into the world of informal communication. We'll specifically focus on informal salutations and closings in emails and letters. This lesson will give you the tools to make your informal written exchanges feel more natural and authentic. So, what exactly is informal communication? In essence, it's a casual form of communication that feels more like a conversation between friends or close colleagues. It's different from the formal style we often use in professional settings. Informal communication involves the use of colloquial language, contractions, idioms, and slang. When writing emails or letters informally, the way you start and finish the message is crucial. This brings us to informal salutations and closings. An informal salutation is the way you address your recipient at the beginning of a letter or an email. Here are a few examples. 1. Hi, John. Hi is a universally acceptable informal greeting. 2. Hey, Sarah. Hey is even more casual and friendly. 3. Hello, Danny. Hello can be both formal and informal, but it generally sets a friendly tone. Keep in mind that it's okay to use first names when writing informally. An informal closing is the sign-off at the end of your email or letter. Here are some examples. 1. Best. It's a versatile closing that fits many situations. 2. Cheers. This is very common in the UK, Australia, and New Zealand, but understood globally. 3. Take care. A friendly and warm way to end an informal email or letter. Remember, the choice of closing depends on the tone of your message and your relationship with the recipient. Now that we understand informal salutations and closings, let's see them in action. Here's an example of an informal email. Hi, Mike. Just wanted to check in and see how the project is going. Don't forget our meeting on Friday. Take care, John. This email starts with an informal salutation, Hi, Mike, and ends with an informal closing, Take care. It sounds friendly and straightforward, right? And that's a wrap on informal salutations and closings in emails and letters. We hope this lesson helps you feel more comfortable when writing casual emails or letters in English. Practice using different salutations and closings to find what feels most natural to you. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step counts. Stay tuned for our next lesson, and until then, happy writing. Best. Your name.